Saturday, January 13th, 1996. We had a 6-inch snowfall yesterday, and last Sunday we had about 20 or more inches of snow, and this is what it looks like around our house. There's Sarah's car, partially plowed out. Joe Testudne using a snowblower. Let's walk on down to the street. Looking down Centergate Drive. Triska's having a good time. And there's the old freezer that got us out in this really difficult storm. Haven't taken the Ford Taurus out yet. Back porch. Holy smokes. Whiskey's enjoying the sun. She just came in from the cold. She found a warm spot to relax in. Oh, scratch her fleas. Tris, how's your foot today? Feels better? Good.